Hiya YouTubers, this is Superman G coming back at you one more again. And in this video, I want to talk to you about internet security. Now, internet security deals with your antivirus, anti-malware programs that are installed on your computer, or programs that you may have downloaded from your internet service provider, also known as ISP. Now, you don't have to use your internet service providers programs or antivirus programs that they have. You can use other parties. You can go out to local stores and purchase antivirus or anti-malware programs from either Best Buy or Staples or Walmart or wherever those programs are sold. However, you do have to pay for those. And anti-spyware or anti-malware programs or antivirus programs are not as expensive as they used to be at the start. Most internet service providers are actually offering them with your paid account or paid subscription that you have with them, so there's no need to go out and purchase it separately unless you want to use a specific antivirus program that fits your needs. Now, I'm going to bring up some websites to some local internet service providers that offer free internet security suites. This is Xfinity.com, and as you can see here, protection included with your Xfinity internet service. So Xfinity has Norton. I've always been a big fan of Norton, and I've never had any problem with Norton. It's always been a very strong and very powerful antivirus program, but these are just from my personal view, my personal opinion, and my personal experience. So yours may vary. Some people don't like Norton because of their experience, and that's fine. That's why we have a vast array of different antivirus programs, and as long as you have an account with these ISPs or internet service providers, you can get these for free. The next one is CenturyLink. CenturyLink also has an antivirus program or a security suite, and theirs is provided by McAfee. Now, they just changed over to McAfee from Norton, most likely a contract dispute. Now, antivirus programs are only as good as you keep them updated. So whenever you get the chance, make sure you go into the shortcut menu of whichever antivirus you're using and click update. Some of them have it to where they will automatically update themselves, but I don't trust it because sometimes it doesn't work in your favor. It doesn't work. So to me, for peace of mind, I would just rather check the update for myself. The next one is Spectrum. Spectrum also has a security suite, which I'm not sure exactly what is in this one. I don't know if it's Norton, I don't know if it's McAfee, but they apparently have their own version of a security suite for Windows with their internet service. So and they're giving you instructions on how you can download and how you can turn it on, how you can set parental controls and content blocking and time limits of how long you want the internet to be running for, which is good. These are actually good because, you know, with it being online schooling, after it's all done and it's time to go to bed, you don't want your children up late at night playing on the internet, so you can set this to where it'll actually turn the internet service off for them after a certain amount of times, like 10 o'clock, and it won't be available until the next school day or whenever they want it. So that is a good, positive, and safe feature there. The next one is AT&T. AT&T has their own security suite, which is powered by McAfee. So this is what they use for securing their customers' computers. And once again, all of these programs that I'm showing from the ISP are free. You don't have to pay anything. It's included with your paid plan, whichever plan you use with the internet service provider. All you have to do is just log into the account to make sure that you are a customer. Log in with your username and password, and it should take you to a download page, and you just download it and install it. And once it updates all the virus definitions or programs, it will be current, and it'll protect you right out of the box, so to speak. And they tell you here how much does it cost. If you're an AT&T Internet DSL customer with a connection speed of 3 megabits per second or higher, you can download Internet Security Suite free. So they don't charge you for anything like that. So the next one is a standalone product. It's called MC Soft. MC Soft has been around for a while, and they're actually based right out of Florida, I believe Miami, if I'm not mistaken. And they have a very good program. Now, since they're standalone, that means that you have to pay for it. The pricing, I don't think is really that bad. As you can see here, Anti-Malware Home is only $29.99 a month. That's just for one computer for 1 year. And it tells you it has super fast scans, it cleans and quarantines infections, finds and remove unwanted programs. It has anti-ransomware, which is a plus, behavior blocker, file guard, web protection, anti-phishing, and automatic updates, emergency kit maker, basic remote management via MC Soft, my MC Soft, email and live chat customer support. And then from there it goes up in price. And of course this $59.97 gives you 3 computers that you can protect for 1 year, and it gives you a few more extra things that you can get. This is full remote management via cloud console. So depending on which plan you get, upgrades the usage or support features that it includes. So I understand this is a very good program, but once again, every year you have to renew it. It's not free. So that's something else to look for. So there are a lot of options that are available to you on which one you want to use, which internet service is available to you. And if if I haven't shown one that's in your area, then you can best be sure that they do most likely have an antivirus or a anti-malware or security suite program. Just make sure that if you talk to them on the phone, you ask them if they have that, and if they don't, then go to some place like Best Buy or Walmart or Office Depot or Staples, or even go online to Amazon or Newegg and check out the antivirus programs there. It's best to have some antivirus program than none. Now, another alternative that you can have, or that you have, when it comes to you having Windows 10 computer, if you have a Windows 10 computer, which I'm hoping right now you're running, Windows 10 does have a built-in security suite. So you're going to click on the Start menu, click on Settings, you're going to go to Update and Security, you're going to go to Windows Security, you're going to click on Open Windows Security, and this will show you virus protection, virus and threat protection, account protection. If you click on virus protection, it'll show you what virus protection is protecting your computer. Now, I already have McAfee installed and Malwarebytes, but if I didn't have it, down here I could use Windows Defender Antivirus if I didn't have Malwarebytes or McAfee virus installed. So if you don't have a antivirus program installed, then Windows Defender will protect you right out of the box when you install Windows 10. Right now it's off because I don't really need it. You don't want to have more than one antivirus program installed on your computer because you could get red flags, you could get conflicts. So only install one antivirus on your computer at the time, and that's pretty much it. So I hope this helps you guys out in giving you insightful information on how to get or how to use your ISP's security suite for your computer and your other devices. You all take care. Be safe. Peace out.